Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can see the connected devices on your Spotify account. So here I've already opened my Spotify on mobile, and if you want to see the list of device connected to your Spotify, just go to the settings, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, then scroll down until you find the devices options. So here, to see the list of device, you can just click on connect to a device. Okay, so in here you can see there are two devices currently connected to my Spotify, this phone that I'm currently using, and also my laptop. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.